What is up, YouTube? Back with another video. I know it's something different, but we trying to get some content for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Cause we can't be slacking, you know what I'm saying? But right now we just in here doing a little housework, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna flip the camera around for y'all, let y'all see this. All right, y'all, so y'all see that? Basically, what I'm doing is installing some cabinets, you know? Y'all see that? Got the directions up here. We won't use them. No, just fine. Got the stove right here. Finishing up some trim work up in here. And yeah. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing. I didn't really want to show y'all the build on the house because, I mean, it was just something slight, but you know what I'm saying? The grand old style, we gotta get this content for y'all. So I figured it'd be a pretty good thing, you know what I'm saying? To show y'all the process. Lyra he just came in, you know.
Yeah, it's cold outside.
So
I know that's what I look like that.
yeah, it's freezing outside, but I don't know. Comment down below if y'all like this type of content. I mean, I figure, you know, we base the channel off of bikes and all that stuff, so that's why we really don't record too much of our lifestyle stuff that we do, you know, basically.
That's coming soon. You know,
but we got a lifestyle channel coming soon to the channel. Life for Leroy, Roy, you already know. But yeah, let's get this cabinet up. Y'all can see that. We actually having some problems right now. We got to find our drill. But these things, I see that. So we finna put that up there. Then let y'all see how it look at the end. But basically that's what we're doing, you know. So y'all comment down below if y'all think we should start doing more vlogs like this.
You know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? Let us know.
Let us
start
know.
doing it. Cause we're gonna do our doing it. Anyway, we just wanna let you know what I'm saying, see if y'all
see what y'all think, you know.
You know what I'm
But
saying?
me personally, I really don't care too much for vlogging my personal lifestyle. But I mean, you know what I'm saying? We finna start doing something new, you know.
You know what I'm saying? YouTube kind of open up that little hole of, I guess, you know what I'm saying?
Basically, and plus y'all, you know what I'm saying, the subscribers, y'all motivate us to keep making these videos, so we gonna record basically what we do. So all right, boom, y'all see how it look now, and then I'm gonna give y'all the after. You know, Lyra, he gonna do all the work, he putting it up, I'm gonna just record. No, you trying to have kids, man, you can't do that, don't pick that up. But man, y'all see it though. We gonna flip the camera back on and let y'all see how it looked and how it turned out. Y'all, all that, but I got the keys to that thing. I'm gonna go run and grab the drill real quick. The camera's up right now. All right, y'all, we got the drill, so now we're gonna go back in there and finish doing what we're doing. They get a little rip while we in it though.
It's like 30 degrees out here.
It's like 30 degrees. Whoa!
Hey, let's go in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Scale, you know what I'm saying? Got to work and play a little bit every now and then. You know the vibes. Oh, my drill gonna go off. It's cold.
All right, y'all. So 3 hours later.
I wish.
No. Nah, but we got the microwave up, y'all. Y'all see that? Boom. Putting a little, what would you call it? The filters in?
Yeah,
Inserting the filters into the bottom of the microwave. So we finna go to setting in the rest of the cabinets. We still waiting on this cabinet right here to come in. That one haven't came in, but we got the rest of them. I want to go right there. And all we gotta do now is just cut the hole out for the sink, so we can get the plumbing in and get that plumbed up. And yeah, see how it looking in the end, bro. See how she looking.
Sir.
All right, y'all, so we got the cabinets in, most of them in. We gotta run to Menards real quick, grab a few things, and then we're gonna come right back. So y'all see what had me. Got them all installed. We just, like I said, we missing that one over there, right there, and basically just the countertop for this, and gonna be all set. They did mess up on our order right here with this one. We got the top one, but the bottom one, they actually gave us two of them, so we're finna go run and grab that real quick. But other than that, we got most of them in.
Oh my God, y'all see what's going on, y'all. What's that, man? Hey, what you doing? Hold on, what? I see what's going on. What's up?
All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, look around, show 'em. We got the last of the cabinets installed. Y'all see them? You feel me? So that's pretty much that's it on the cabinets. Now y'all come up here and check this out real quick. Basically what we got right here is some like some lights, basically, so it can have a light effect, as y'all see on there. So what we want to do is kind of like probably put that up here. So you see how it's like kind of dark. When we put the lights in there, it's gonna glow and make a nice little color. Same thing over there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it with that one. That might be the only one left out, but the rest of them I do want to put on this wall and then this wall right here. Install these lights. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it in this video, but you know what I'm saying. We finna see what it do. I'm trying to hook them up real quick. I think we're pretty much a plug and play. So yeah, let me try to hook these up real quick, and then I'm gonna put it back to the camera. Let y'all check it out. so we putting the lights up and actually decided to go and plug them up, but I'm not really, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. What y'all think? You know, check it out, see what y'all think. I'm gonna just unplug them for right now, but comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all think I should put the lights up. Let me know if y'all think I should just trash them, put them in the garbage, throw them away, never look at them again. But comment down below, let me know. But for now, yeah, this kind of give you an idea. It's not fully mounted, but it kind of give you an idea of how it's gonna look. Alright, let me put the light on.
Oh, yeah, that, you know, it got like a nice little look to it.
It'll be raw if we can get it to mount up right, but I don't know. What y'all think?
Good.
But drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all think we should do. But that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Do what y'all do best, man. And then until next time, peace. We out.